Bored general phrases. Introduction. Being bored means having nothing to do. When you are bored, you might call a friend, look for something to do, or just try to entertain yourself. Talking about being bored is a good way to start a conversation in English. General phrases for expressing boredom. Here are some common phrases you can use to say you are bored. I am dying from boredom. I hate being bored. I don't have anything to do. My life is so boring. Life is so boring. I'm just watching TV until I find something to do. I was bored all weekend. I am so bored today. I get bored very easily. I get bored all the time. Talking about family visits. Visiting family can sometimes be boring. Here are some phrases to express that. It's always boring whenever we go to our relatives. It's nice to visit my grandmother, but it gets boring after a couple of hours. My cousins are so boring. All they do is watch TV. There's nothing to do in the countryside. I'm always bored there. Describing yourself as boring. If you think you are a boring person, you can say, I think I'm a little boring. I'm a boring person. Describing someone else as boring. If someone else is boring, you can say, he's a boring person. His personality is very boring. It's boring whenever she's around. Answering questions with bored. You can use bored to answer questions about your experiences. Here are some examples. Questions. How was your trip? How was your vacation? How was your weekend? How was the lecture? How was the class? How was the game? Answers. It was pretty boring. It was boring. I didn't do much. It wasn't as fun as I thought. It was a little boring. I was bored most of the time. Because it was disorganized, we had too much extra time. I was bored during our free time. Conclusion. Talking about boredom is a common and easy way to start a conversation in English. Use these phrases to express how you are feeling and to practice your conversational skills. Thanks for watching.